Good job, Carter. Good job, Adam. Good job, Silas. Good job, Pierce. Get up there, Pierce. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there.
Yeah, Ryan.
Go, Ryan.
Let's go, Nate.
Hop off and run, Nate. Get going.
Woo.
Come on, Adam and Carter. Come on. You guys are making me proud to be from the Southeast. I love you guys. Come on, Silas. Get on their wheel. Come on. That's it. The Cirque boys are rocking. Go, guys. Go. Woo! Come on, Pierce. Come on, Pierce. Dig deep, buddy. Come on. Come on, Pierce. Come on, climb, climb, climb. You get reprieve up here, buddy. Come on. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Go, 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 go.
Any idea what place?
Like 7th or 8th. Come on, Carter. Push. Push. Come on, Silas. Come on, Carson's right up here. Come on, come on, come on. Carson's only 20 seconds in front of you guys. You guys are making me proud to be part of the Southeast. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, Adam. Just like last year. Yeah, dig, 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 dig. You guys are only 20 seconds back. You're sitting in 5th. Carson's out front. Come on, Pierce. Come on, Pierce, ride your race. The leaders are only like 10 seconds in front of you for a big group, and then the leaders in about 30 seconds. You're doing great, Pierce. You're looking good, Carter. Carson's about 25 seconds in front of you. Ride smooth and smart. Silas, the leader is only about 20 seconds in front of you. Ride smooth and smart. Smooth and smart. Good job, buddy. Come on, Adam. You're right. You're in this. You're in this. This is your section coming up. Good job. Come on, Adam. Don't let him go, buddy. Don't let him go.
You know what place I'm in?
Yeah, you're in 3rd. That's 2nd right there. Carson, forget about him. 2nd, 3rd. You're in 6th, Carter. You're in 6th. Don't give this one up. Good job, buddy.
Do it again.
Yeah. Come on, Adam. Come on, Adam. 4th place now. 4th place. Carter, you're in 5th. They're right in front of you. They're right in front of you. And you got another guy coming behind you.